In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Robinhood notifications. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to receive alerts for changes in prices, trades, deposits, and more. These notifications are crucial as they keep you informed about important account activities and market movements. Let's start by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Once you have it open, make sure you are logged into your account. Logging in ensures that any settings you adjust are applied to your specific account. Now head over to Account Settings. You can do this by tapping the account icon, which looks like a person. After that, tap on the menu or the settings icon. This step is important because it takes you to the area where you can control various app settings. Once you're in Settings, tap on Notifications and Messages. On some devices, it might simply be labeled Notifications. This section is where you'll manage all the alerts you want to receive. Now you have the opportunity to choose what you want alerts for. You can toggle notifications for different activities like transfer activity, crypto orders, price alerts, promotions, and referrals. This customization is essential because it allows you to tailor alerts to what matters most to you. Next up, make sure you turn on push notifications. This is a crucial step. Without push notifications enabled, you won't receive any alerts. For iPhone users, go to Settings, then Notifications, find Robinhood, and select Allow Notifications. For Android users, navigate to Settings, choose Apps, find Robinhood, then go into Notifications and enable them. This ensures that your phone is set up to receive all the alerts you configure within Robinhood. After that, consider setting up price alerts, which is optional but very useful. Open a stock or crypto that you're interested in. Tap the bell icon to set alerts for that particular asset. You can specify if you want to be alerted when the price goes above or below a certain target, or even when there is a certain percent change. Don't forget to save the alert so it becomes active. This little step can save you a lot of time by allowing you to monitor specific price movements without constantly checking the app. For those who want even more control, there's a tip. You can customize your notifications further by turning off promotional alerts while keeping trade alerts active. Additionally, you can set custom price alerts for each stock you're tracking. Utilizing watch lists can also help you monitor your favorite stocks or crypto more efficiently. These strategies enable you to create a more personalized and focused notification system. And there you have it. With your notifications set up, you'll never miss out on important account activities or market updates. This setup will keep you informed and help you make timely decisions in your trading activities. Thank you for tuning in and happy investing with Robinhood.